Let's find out what's inside the box of 7 inches smart multimedia San Juan 800W that is compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. First, you will be greeted by a 2-DIN car player that has the latest diverse entertainment technology and advanced connectivity for easy interface maneuvering. It also comes with a trim ring for better car radio slot fitting. The box also included a power cable, audio cable, GPS antenna for location tracking, external microphone, screws for fitting, and lastly the user manual. San Juan 800W is designed to enable smartphone usage safely in the car thanks to the CarPlay and Android Auto technology. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.